Good morning, friends. If you are joining me from my free cooking group, Simply Cookin with Coach Sarah, welcome. Thank you for being here. And if you're watching the playback from YouTube, thank you so much. Be sure to hit subscribe, like, all the things so that you don't miss one episode of Let's Make Something with Coach Sarah. I hope these are helpful for you and that you learn something new. Hey, Bridget. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm so excited about what I have for you guys today. Well, I got a little helper, so she's hanging out with me. Can you say hi? Say hi, Haven. So today, I am excited to share with you guys my new favorite smoothie, which is chocolate, peanut butter, banana, secret smoothie. Okay? This thing is rocking my world. I'm going to tell you guys all about it and how I make it because I think everybody does things just a little bit different. So I just wanted to show you my version and what I've been doing, and I hope it helps you. So it's really easy. So easy. I've been eating this every day. I feel like for 2 weeks, maybe. And I've been losing weight like crazy having this one time a day. So my challenge for you is going to be to make this one time a day, every day, for a week and see what happens for you. Okay, so first I'm going to, hey, do you want to go help him? Okay, thank you, honey. That's my son yelling. All right, so we are going to, hey, Lily, can you go help him, please? Thank you, honey. Okay, so we're going to add 1 cup of almond milk. This is my favorite almond milk to get. And you can just look on the lines on the side. I use a Vitamix. It's my favorite. And then we are going to add 1 banana. Oh, excuse me. 1 second, guys. All right, it's fine. Go help me, please. Thank you. All right. I thought I had him all happy. He's not happy right now, so we'll see. Okay, 1 banana. But I wanted to show you guys not all bananas are created equal. So, bananas, okay? 1 small banana is sufficient. This is a large banana, so if you get a large banana, you're gonna want to cut it in half, okay? So we're gonna put 1 banana in. So if you guessed it, this is an e-meal. I learned something, you guys. I have not researched this, so look it up for yourself, but I thought this was fascinating. I heard it on the local Christian radio. But you know all those little peely things you peel off of the banana because you're like, ugh, I got to get rid of those. I heard that's where like tons of the nutrients are. So now I've been like intentionally leaving them on because I don't want to miss any nutrients. I don't know about you guys. Okay, so then 1 banana. Then we're going to add okra. And so I do about a cup-ish. By the way, I should probably tell you where to find this recipe. That's very helpful, right? Trim Healthy Table, and it's on page 482. I think this recipe gets overlooked because there's no picture. So once you see it, I hope it encourages you to go, oh, I'm going to make that. Okay, so we added our okra and our banana. Now we are going to add some salt. Now, you're going to want to follow the recipe almost to a T. So this was just Himalayan mineral salt. Then I'm going to add ice. Then we're going to add super sweet. Okay, now this one write down because I think if you're a sweet tooth like me, you want to add the full amount the recipe calls for plus an additional teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Are you getting sad? Did you lose your toy? There you go. Okay. She's going to be happy. Okay, 1 additional teaspoon. 1 additional teaspoon of super sweet. Then we're going to add cocoa powder. You do not want to miss any cocoa powder. It's yummy. And then we will add defatted peanut flour, which I cannot recommend the Trim Healthy Mama brand enough. if you compare it side by side to other brands, it is the lowest in fat and carbs. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for your peanut flour. That's why I always choose this one. Now, you want to add Pristine Whey. If you guys still have the little scoops that it came with eons ago, you can measure with that. It's not quite a full scoop, but this is 4 tablespoons. So if you have these, they make awesome measuring utensils. Banana extract. I'm not actually going to measure it, just a little splash. You can really measure if you need to. Now, if you're really trying to lose some weight, add a little of the glucose. It's on the recipe. You do not have to. If you're like super sensitive to glucose, you don't have to add it. But if you're really trying to get the scale moving, just add. I hope you guys are noticing something. I'm putting it all together. I think the recipe's like blend this and then this. Just put it all in. All of it going in. All at once. Who has time for the other options? Okay, I think that's it. Let's double check. The recipe. Oh, it says peanut butter, like a teaspoon, because you can have your added fat. It's not missing anything if you just skip it. So, just skip the peanut butter. You want those? I think it's nap time for her, guys. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to blend this. So, I'm going to show you. This is important. You want to start out slow and then ramp it up, and you want to blend it for a while. Like, keep blending and blending and blending. So, here we go. This will be the boring part. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Micah. If you do this right, you won't need your, the blender stick. You won't need it. So I just start out slow and working my way up. Oh, it's already, can you guys see this? This is good. I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna need chocolate ice cream. Any heavy ass chocolate ice cream ever again. Never. This, it's magic. Magic. Okay, we're gonna let it keep going. You really want to make sure you puree the okra because you don't want like little chunky okra bits. It's not good. So whip and nay it, right? You can sing that song while you do it. It's almost done. Almost done. It's looking like perfection. Okay, I feel really happy with it. Okay, you guys. Hello. It's like chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Can you do it without the peanut flour? Absolutely. If you don't like peanut butter flavor, yeah, you could do it without it. You could make this fuel pull. Did you guys know that? What do you got to do? Just leave out the banana. Just leave out the banana. So easy. You can try it so many ways. That's why I love all the recipes. You can make it how you want to make it. But hello, you guys. Are you witnessing this? I hope I don't spill it all over. Woo! Look at that. Creamy, thick goodness. This is my quart size mason jar. I just want you guys to see how much this makes. And I feel like $1,000,000 after I eat this. So try making this. Have this for a week. And then I would love for you to tell me what your weight loss results are. I can't guarantee anything. But you guys, I swear I'm losing like a pound a day doing this. I'm not kidding. I cannot make this up. I was 10 pounds away from my goal 2.5 weeks ago. 2.5 weeks ago. I'm 1 pound away from my goal. But pray for me. I'm headed to Nashville on Friday. And I want to eat all the things. But I got to hit my goal. It's really important I hit my goal. And I have till July 3rd. So, let's see. Do we have a fun straw we can put in there? Oh, my kids took all my fun straw. Oh, I got this fun straw. This is a fun. My daughter's like, no, we didn't. We didn't take them all.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so fun straw. So you can have one. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Isn't this incredible? Mmm. It's so good. Okay. It tastes like peanut butter. That was funny. Somebody's calling me. Bad timing. Okay, this tastes exactly like chocolate, peanut butter, banana. But it's just got your healthy carbs and it's low in fat. It's really good. You have to try this, you guys. And lose weight. You get to eat this and lose weight. I had to quit eating all the heavy ass desserts, you guys, because they're just hindering me. And so this is replacing my ice cream fetish right now. I want to share with you guys. Come over and try it. Okay. Let me know if you try this out and what your results are. I hope this was helpful. Eat more okra. I get my okra from Walmart. I buy like 8-10 bags at once and throw them in the freezer because if you don't, yes, honey, Walmart. My daughter's like, what? Walmart? If you don't buy them, then there's another Trim Healthy Mama who's gonna buy them. So you better go get them, okay? And then everything else, I get this at Costco. Although you have to order it online right now because it's seasonal, only online. And then all the other things I showed you are Trim Healthy Mama, Trim Healthy Mama. So, okay, guys, I hope you guys have an awesome week. And don't forget, if you're watching the playback from YouTube, subscribe or hop on over to my free cooking group, Simply Cookin with Coach Sarah, and come cook with me live. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye, guys.